Hey guys, welcome to this video. Yes, you read the title correctly. I have been reinstated, unbanned by Amazon as a seller. Unbanned. If you know anything about this channel, if you've been following this channel for a while, back in 2020 when things were getting really tough, I tried pivoting from selling books on Amazon over to drop shipping. This did not pan out well. You saw probably back then, several years ago, 4 years ago, a lot of ads about people saying, hey, drop ship on Amazon. All you need to do is sign up for an account, pay me $10,000. I'll build your store, outsource everything. You don't have to lift a finger. You just make $20,000 a month. Well, I tried doing it on my own, and as life would have it, it did not work out. And because of that, the system sort of crumbled underneath my feet. I ended up getting my entire account suspended, banned, shut down, and basically I went back and forth with Amazon for months, from late 2020 all the way through early 2021, trying to get the account back, and they just would not give it to me. Eventually they got to the point where they were ghosting me. They wouldn't even respond to my messages that I would send internally from the platform. I just dropped it. I left it alone. Now, if you know anything about Amazon, let's back up a little bit and talk about how Amazon operates. So you have your Amazon Prime account where you buy things on Amazon. You can also use that same email as a seller. You can also use that same email as an affiliate. And you can also use that same email as a KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing self-publisher, which I did as well. That account got shut down along with my seller account. But they didn't touch my affiliate account or my Prime account, which were under the same email address. Kind of strange, but I think Amazon operates like different channels. And so like not every channel is going to affect another channel. So for instance, my buyer's account, like my personal Prime account, was not bothered by my seller account. My affiliate account, which is growing and is what I do, Amazon influencer and Amazon associates on, was not affected by my seller account, but my KDP account, which is a seller account because you're technically selling self-published books, which were also tied to that same email address, were affected. Does that make sense? So they shut me down, they ghosted me, they wouldn't even listen to what I had to say. I tried starting another Amazon account later on. I had a little success with it, but it sort of just flopped. So about a month ago, I decided, after, what was that, almost 3 years, I decided to give it another shot. And so I logged into the account, still in big red letters across the top, suspended account, and couldn't do anything with it. I went into the internal messaging area where I had sent dozens of messages. They probably got suspicious of me because I was like sending messages way too often. I was basically spamming them with messages nonstop during that period when I was like trying to get the account back. So I went back into that and I worded a really polite message, and I just said, hello to whoever it may concern. Hope your day is going really well. I've been suspended for a few years and I'm looking to see if there's any possible way I can get this account unsuspended and be reinstated as a seller. Any information that you can provide would be super helpful. Please just let me know what I need to do and I will take care of it. Thank you for reading this. I value your time. At this point, I always try to open up with a really hope your day is going well, and then end with thank you for reading this. I value your time. People want to feel valued. And so I made sure that I put that, I sandwiched that in there with my request in the middle. Within 3 minutes, I had an email back in my inbox, and it said, hey, all we need from you is an up-to-date, within the past 90 days, bank statement or utilities bill, just stating your name and your address. It can't be altered at all. Don't mess with the file name. Just take a picture with your phone and then upload it with the original file name. Don't touch anything on it. Make sure it's well lit. And send that to us and we'll see what we can do. So I did that. I found my electric bill. I took a picture with my phone. I airdropped it to my Mac and then I uploaded it. And within like 10 minutes, I had another message. They were like, congratulations, we reinstated your account. You're now eligible to sell once again on Amazon. Super cool. Can't believe it happened. All they were waiting for was perhaps a nicely worded email and then just that statement stating my address and my name. And the reason for this is Amazon doesn't like you to drop ship. In their terms, they want the product to either come from your hands to an Amazon fulfillment center and then go to the customer, or if you're merchant fulfilling, which is what I was doing, technically, they want it to come from your hands. This is the same with eBay and a lot of other selling platforms. They want your hands to be on it and to send it. Whereas what I was doing, listing something for sale on Amazon, and when someone would buy it, I would use my credit card and go purchase it from like Lowe's or Walmart, Home Depot, and then just put in the recipient's address. And basically what that was doing, like, let's be honest, was ripping them off, because basically just listing a toolkit from like Home Depot, putting it at $250, and then when someone would buy it, I would use my credit card to go on homedepot.com, get that toolkit for what I knew was $100 free shipping, and just put in the customer's address. And so what that was doing is overcharging the customer for what I was just getting a deal on, when the customer could have gone straight to homedepot.com, gotten it for $100, free shipping, and had it at their house in 2 days. Sleazy move? You be the judge. I say, yeah, it was sleazy on my part. Like I said, and this doesn't excuse anything, just trying to own up here. COVID was crazy. Sales were wild and unreliable, and I was trying to put food on the table. So I tried the drop shipping thing. 0 out of 10. Definitely would not recommend doing drop shipping on Amazon. Protect your seller account at all costs. Don't risk getting shut down because you're doing something that the selling platform doesn't want you to do. So from this point, we're moving forward a lot more carefully, a lot more strategically, and a lot more ethically, looking more along the lines of private labeling, which is 100% up and up. The majority of what you purchase on Amazon is a private labeled product. For the past 2 months, I would say, my son, who is homeschooled, he's 13, has wanted to be part of the family business. What we've been doing is I bought him a little Udemy course about private labeling on Amazon. He's been going through the course. He's identified about 15 or 16 products that he thinks will do well. I'm putting a lot of trust in my son and what he has chosen. That being said, while I trust what he's looking into, not all of them are winners, obviously. And the ones, like, we're vetting them out. My wife and I and him, we're sitting down, we're looking at each individual product. What can we buy it for? How do we private label this, put our brand on it, and then sell it? What's the profits? So he's not doing 100% of it all by himself, but he is choosing the product. He does have say in it. He does have ownership in this. And if it succeeds, he will feel that. And if it flops, he will feel that. What we say in our family is you win or you learn. We don't lose. We're going to win or learn. That's the W or the L that we take. And if the product that we're going to pursue wins, that's going to be great. It's going to teach him something about e-commerce. It's going to teach us something about e-commerce. And then if it does not win, if it flops, then we learn the lesson and we try again. Our budget for this is I think right around $1,000 for this first product, just to get maybe 100 units in and see and test the waters. We're brand new to the private label thing, but we're going to give it a shot. Now, I do still have all of the feedback on my store. I think I had like 87 or 97 feedback. 12% of them were not great. And so we're sitting at like 88% positive feedback, which is not great for a store, but I figure it's better than starting a store completely all over again. And we're going to go from here and see what we can do. Hopefully this works out. Stay tuned for more. I'm just happy that we got this resolved. Amazon actually came through. They were super friendly, super polite, and really fast. If you are banned or if you've been suspended on Amazon, I would say that you definitely keep trying. Keep trying to get unbanned. And then also don't fall for any of these people that say contact so-and-so that can get you unbanned. That's a scam. I know whenever I posted this video right here, it was whenever I did get banned, posted that video, and in the comments, I literally got probably dozens. I feel like it was hundreds, but it may have just felt that way. Comments like, contact Joe Schmo, he'll get you unbanned. And I would get that same comment from like hundreds, it felt like, of different accounts. That's a scam. Don't do that. I didn't do it. Don't do it. Hopefully this has been helpful. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the journey, and we'll see how it goes. See you on the next video.